Hi, I would like to introduce Payments Network Malaysia known as Paynet. Paynet was established in 2017 and is owned jointly by Bank Negara Malaysia and a group of local banks. It serves as the national payments and provides the main infrastructure for Malaysia's financial system. The organization aims to create and manage modern payment systems that are secure, reliable, and efficient. Through services like Jompay, Paynet connects banks, billers, and consumers into one integrated payment ecosystem. This supports Malaysia's shift towards a cashless society and updates our national payment infrastructure. Alright, next, let's look at Jompay. Jompay is Malaysia's national bill payment scheme. It connects banks, billers, and consumers through one platform. Today, customers from over 40 banks across Malaysia can use Jompay to pay their bills anytime and everywhere and simply through internet or mobile banking. This convenience makes everyday payments faster and easier for everyone.
Technology that supports the platform usability, security, and functionality must be identified, chosen, acquired, and managed. Managing digital payment technologies such as mobile payment solution, card payment technology including NFC, and e-payment system is a part of this. In addition, Jompay probably use technology management technique to guarantee the platform's security, performance, and dependability in the face of growing cyber threats. Some technology management have been used in Jompay, which is the first one is innovation and product development. The first one is customer-centric digital solution. By providing user-friendly digital solution that enables smooth bill payments via reputable banks' online platform, Jompay exhibit great technology-driven innovation. With the help of real-time system and secure API connectivity, it works with more than 40 banks and multiple billers to ensure effective payment processing. The second one is collaborative innovation ecosystem. By collaborating with fintech and e-wallet like Touch and Go and Boost, Jompay expand its offering beyond traditional banking and function within a collaborative innovation ecosystem. In order to implement RegTech solution for smooth digital compliance, including KYC and AML procedures, it also collaborates closely with Bank Negara Malaysia. Jompay is also getting ready to integrate with national digitality identity system such as My Digital ID in the future. In technology infrastructure, Jompay has centralized payment hub. Jompay uses a real-time interbank switching mechanism similar to MAPS or FPX and is based on a centralized clearing and settlement system run by Paynet. The safe transfer of payment between payer and biller banks is made possible by the system which serves as the fundamental infrastructure. Second is microservice architecture. In order to separate key operations like biller validation, payment posting, and reconciliation into more manageable standalone service, Jompay is moving toward to microservice-based architecture. This enhances system flexibility, reduces downtime, and promotes quicker innovation by enabling the deployment, updating, and scaling of each component independently. The third one is monitoring and analytics tools. Jompay continuously track important parameters like transaction volume, processing time, system uptime, and adherence to service level agreement using sophisticated real-time monitoring tool and interactive dashboard. In strategic planning, Jompay support for a cashless society vision. Jompay promotes electronic payments in order to decrease the use of cash, which is in line with Malaysian digital economy blueprint. By onboarding additional banks and billers, it broadens its ecosystem and reaches people in both urban and rural areas through efficient technology management. The second one is data-driven decision-making. Jompay bases its strategy choice on analytics of consumer behavior and transaction data. It finds areas that required improvement as well as new opportunities by examining payments habits, popular billers, and user trends. In order to improve service quality, performance indicator also assist in identifying operational problems.
Change first. Security fraud concern. The user should report security concern that the fraud or the occur when the making payment using the Jompay with to indicate weakness in the payment verification data fraud, the scam or the malware explosion. Second, merchant adoption and onboarding. The target to 20 BNA bill has reached a 5,000 bill, but adoption among SME government agencies is low due to resistance from the stakeholder and system fails. 3. Infrastructure technical limitations. Users are experiencing late with a time for the payment confirmation with the long 7 working days, and due to technology barriers like the unreliable telecom network affecting mobile authentication and user experience. 4. User resistance low digital literacy from the rich have the 65 of the consumers still use a cash even though they can make a payment online because a low trust in the electronic payment. 5. This combination is app the migration impact pan in the shifting customer and new apps like CTO to eliminate all the platforms like the Jompay that are causing disruption to user accustomed to legacy system. Opportunity. First, cost efficiency improve the cash flow for the bill Jompay, significantly reduce the overhead of the using cash, saving 2.7 million annually in cost instead limited with the sum-a-day credit. Number 2, SME enable VIA zero call integration BNA target by 2020 has reached 5,000, but adoption among SME government agencies has been slow due to stakeholder resistance and system fails. Number 3, broader ecosystem integration collaboration with the Bank Rakyat, which enable Jompay in the Touch and Go e-wallet open digital bills to all the user in this diversify access and channel and increase the user convenience. Number 4, financial inclusion. Regulatory support and Paynet Negara are the collaboration with the British firms and ecosystem, the partner to the promote input the Do It Now and Read the Teach a platform among the breadth digital divide. Number 5, this coordination of the app migration impact, the payment landscape will be enhanced in with Do It Now QR account transfer and cross the border ASEAN initiative for the seamless transaction across the multiple channels.
Through our visit to Paynet, we saw clear examples of how technology management theories are applied in real-life practice. First, the strategy alignment model is reflected in how Paynet aligns its technology strategy with national goals, like promoting cashless payments under the My Digital initiative. Jompay itself was developed as a national infrastructure with participation from over 40 major banks. Next, using technology adoption lifecycle, we observe how Jompay started with early adopter like major banks, followed by nationwide promotion and campaign. Today, it's widely accepted by the majority of users, showing it has reached maturity in adoption curve. Lastly, through the technology S-curve, we can trace Jompay growth from its early innovation stage, expansion with banks and fintech, to its maturity stage and now upgrades like cloud integration and microservices. Next part, we explore how Paynet uses operational framework to manage Jompay effectively. They apply ITIL framework and IT service management ITSM by monitoring transactions in real time, using redundancy system and having disaster recovery plans in place to ensure service continuity. We also saw open innovation in practice through partnerships with fintech like Boost and Touch and Go and collaboration with regulator like Bank Negara. This effort helped enrich the Jompay ecosystem and encourage innovation. Finally, using quarter change management model, Paynet implements major system change smoothly, providing technical support, onboarding processes, and training to banks involved. This helps to ensure a successful transaction and user acceptance.
Number 1 is strengthening cybersecurity and risk management. Like example, is banks are responsible for safeguarding sensitive information about their clients and transactions. It takes only one breach to incur server, reputational, and financial damage. My recommendation is using AI or ML-based fraud to detect all suspicious transaction pattern. Number 2 is add biometric verification like active facial recognition or fingerprint authentication for high value or first time transaction. Number 3 is timeline updating of security measures that's aligned with ISO 27001 and MAS PRM technology risk management requirement. Number 2 is improve user experience. Jompay users often face inconsistent interface across participating banks, which can lead to confusion and decreased trust. My recommendation is standardize the design across all banks. Number 2, add QR scanning, autofill and schedule payments. And number 3, collect user feedback to improve continuously. Number 3 is support business integration. Support business integration more into corporate client like demand seamless integration with their ERP or accounting system. APIs are foundation of open banking and financial automation. My recommendation is offer secure APIs for systems like SAP or XERO 0. Number 2 is provide a test environment. Number 3, enable real-time transaction tracking. Number 4 is help SME and merchant. Many small business don't know how to use Jompay. My recommendation is create onboarding kits like video and fax. Number 2, run roadshow or webinar. And number 3, get partner with SME group and association. Number 5 is use data analytics. Most banks have a lot of payment data, so they can analyze user trend and payment behavior. Number 2, they can use predictive analytics. And number 3, build dashboard for better support and risk management. Number 6 is ensure system reliability. Sometimes service downtime damage trust and may violate regulatory standard. My recommendation is implement geo-redundancy like host in geographically dispersed data centers. Number 2 is conduct regular disaster recovery DR drill to perform predict disaster recovery DR exercises to ensure preparedness as well as an optimal recovery time objective. Number 3, develop incident response plan such as internal SOP and client communication protocol. In summary, by improving security, user experience, integration, education, analytics, and reliability, Jompay can become a stronger, safer, and more user-friendly system. Thank you, guys.